This is the World of Plenty Daily Thought, divine prophetic thought for your day.
For gaining wisdom, understanding, and knowledge.
With His Majesty, King 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 Majesty.
Uma le faith water.
You see, if this faith water,
Ngizoyishaya la.
I'll just hit it on this thing,
Kule khula.
on this cooler.
Izo bounce ibuye kubani makufanele ibuyele kimi.
It will come. It will
Mayixakwa
come
izinto lapho. Uma iphushwa lapho izobuyela kuba.
If the cooler push it back, when
Okay.
it will return.
A good one.
Esihle sibonele.
Umuntu odlala
A
tennis,
person who's playing a tennis,
uwina
they win
nge-bounce back.
through bounce back.
Ushaya nge-bounce back. Ushaya itennis lize kuwe.
They will hit the tennis to you.
Le speed alishaya ngaliza kuwe wena usukhama usuthi nje.
That force they applied.
Liphindele emva
You just
ngaso.
applied the same and then it will return back.
Abanye bethu
Some of us,
ukuze basihloniphe
in order for them to
fanele
respect us,
basiphakade.
they must bewitch us first.
Bakufaka upoison
Put poison to you
ungafi.
and you'll not die.
Bese kuyima bekulalela ukuthi kanti you have a poison destroying body. Abanye bethu fanele bathi bakudubula ungadubuleki. Ubuqhawe bakho abuzalwa la izinto ihamba kahle khona.
Things are going well.
But ubuqhawe buzalwa khona ebunzimeni.
It is born in the battle.
Uma ungalishaya ibhola lethwa kuwe uphindisela liqhamuka
And
khona.
then you hit it back to the sender.
You may not have a goal.
Angeke ube negoli.
Ujolile noSilethu Duma.
With Julian,
Dlala ibhola.
we are playing a ball.
Angisazi hotel kabani phathi wabo. So sikhahlela ibhola.
We were kicking this ball.
Sikhahlela ibhola.
Kicking this ball.
Mangilikhahlela lifike lapho omunye alibambe.
When I kicked it,
So
the other one grabbed it.
ngashaya ibhola mina kanje. Buka. Ngalishaya phansi ngalithi kwa.
I bounced the ball down.
Lajomba lashaya kwi-roof.
It hit the roof.
Yabo layela lona phezulu ngokushaya. Mina
I hit the ball down.
mangifuna liye phezulu ibhola.
When I want
Ngilishaya
the ball to go
kakhulu
up,
ngilisholise phansi
I
ngilicindezele.
will apply more force downwards.
The more I put pressure
Kakhulu ngifaka
in pulling down the ball.
ukulehlisa
The
ibhola.
ball is built with a bounce back nature.
Ibhola lenziwe ngomoya wakho.
The ball jump even above me.
Ibhola liyabhaka
And I
lidlule
stop
mina.
a minute.
Ngabese ngima.
I sense a voice saying,
Ngezwa iphimbo lithi.
this is what happened with your life.
Yile nto eyenzeka
This is
ngempilo
what
yakho.
happened in your spirit
Yile nto
realm.
eyenzeka
The
kuzima
more they
kamoya.
push you down,
Ngesikhathi bacindezela phansi. Yazi
the
impilo yakho.
higher you shoot.
Ngesikhathi ukhuphuka kakhulu.
When they kill you,
Uma bekubulala.
the more the resurrecting power
Yingakila kubuya khona manje
of the gospel of Plentian will be seen.
ezweni la abonakala.
Therefore,
Ngakho-ke,
if you are afraid of going through some stuff,
uma usaba ukudlula emzimeni,
you will never be a hero.
angeke ube yiqhawe.
Angazi noma niyangizwa yini.
I'm not sure you are hearing me.
So now, uSilethu Duma takes it.
Silethu Duma wathatha.
Ufuna na ibhola liye phezulu.
He wanted to up to the same.
Njengakimi.
That's what I was doing.
Imistake ayenzayo.
The mistake that he
Yena
did.
ufuna ukuliphusha yena. Alise phezulu. Uyalisiza ukuthi liye phezulu.
He was
The more
helping
you
the ball
push
go
the more,
up.
the lesser the ball.
Ngesikhathi
Goes high.
ukhonza unisa phezulu.
Mina ngilithatha ibhola ngithi buka. Ngithi lishaye
I took
kanje.
it. I showed him.
Uke wabona
Have you seen?
ungasathandazi
When you are no longer praying,
uthi uyalala uphuphe kabi.
when you sleep, you dream a bad dream.
Ungasacommand, ungasaconfess.
When you are no longer
Ungasasho uthi
confessing,
money come to me.
ungasasho ukuthi imali
Uphuphe
ayisempela.
bentshontshela
You
imali.
dream your money
Uthi
being
uyalala
stolen. When you sleep,
uzohamba. Uphuphe iginqika nemoto.
you dream a accident.
Hey! Uvuka wenze njani mangomnana?
What do you do when you wake up in the
Rikala
pleasure?
basakati lala. Ubuzothandaza kuba uphupha ngomoya
When
obucindezela.
you pray, if you didn't feel that spirit depressing you,
Umnala wangampela
a true Plentian,
welcomes the pressure.
uyabamukela ubumnandi.
for a plane to go higher.
ukuze ibhalo liye phezulu.
You know what happened?
Uyazwenzakalani?
It has to override
Kumele lidlule
the law of gravity.
umthetho.
It has to operate in the new plane.
Kumele lifike kwelinye izinga.
If you focus in the natural
Umugxila kwizinto zesenyameni.
force of gravity law. What is the force of gravity?
Yini force of gravity?
Force of gravity
Force of gravity.
is a law that pulls down everything that goes higher.
Umthetho obuyisa yonke into uyilethe phansi yaphezulu.
Now, how do you break that law? Force of gravity. Even the ball will press it.
Even the body
Liya
it
phezulu.
will shoot up.
But who's going to bring it down?
Ubani ozobuyisa ke manje?
The law of force of gravity.
Umthetho
The word
force of gravity.
force of gravity.
Igama leli
It
force
is
of
a
gravity.
law that forces, doesn't negotiate with you.
Umthetho ongabonisani nawe okuphoqayo.
There is a law
Kunomthetho
designed
ohleli
to force you down.
ukuphoqa ukuthi wehle phansi.
You see the difference between eagle and other birds.
Umehluko ukhozi nezinye inyoni.
The eagle
Ukhozi
knows
liyazi
how to refresh itself with a stone.
ukuthi lizenza kanjani likwazi ukumelana nesitheko.
The eagle goes to the high altitude, not in its own power.
Liyaphezulu kodwa lingasebenzisa amandla alo.
It doesn't fly in the storm,
Andizi kwisitheko.
but an eagle mounts up.
Kodwa liye lingaphezulu kwasitheko.
The problem with other birds,
Inkinga kwezinye inyoni
they are flying
zona ziyandiza.
when it's windy.
Makunomoya
The
kakhulu.
eagle
Ukhozi
knows the tactics.
linendlela.
The eagle used the storm to carry it
Ukhozi lisebenzisa isiphepho ukuthi
to its destination.
ukuze lifike la kufuna ukufinyelela
A
khona.
true Plentian,
Umnala wangempela.
a true spiritual person
Umuntu wakwamoya wangempela.
knows how to use your problem
Uyazi ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani inkinga.
to take you where you're going.
Ukuthi ikusize kuze la kumele uye
You
khona.
use your critics
Usebenzisa ukugxekwa.
to display your wisdom.
Labagxekayo ukuthi babonakalise ubuhlakani bakho.
You use your critics
Usebenzisa abagxekayo.
to show them how much they don't know. You answer them wisely.
Ukubaphendula ngendlela enobuhlakani.
You mess up with them in questions.
Udlala ngabo.
Ubadelela la. Uyabayeka bakhulume
You will leave them first to
abangakwazi.
talk.
Ubusuya
They talk to you about that.
baphendula.
Then you will answer.
In fact,
Kahle kahle.
when somebody attacks me,
Uma umuntu engihlasela.
it's the time for my glory to manifest.
Isikhathi ke lapho udumo lami lokuthi livele khona.
That I'm untouchable.
Lapho kamthinteki.
Kuhle konke.
On
Enaleli. Yeah.
Thank you for watching or listening. The World of Plenty Daily Thought, divine prophetic thought for your day.
For gaining wisdom, understanding, and knowledge.
With His Majesty, King Some Majesty.
For more information, you can send us an email on info@nalamonday.com or call us on 079 1755 628. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube at King Somnala-Nalamandate. You can like our page on Facebook at King Somnala-Nalamandate. Follow us on TikTok at King Somnala the Plentiologist.